the masculine lead has to be present. If you provide that, feminine will follow. It's okay, this is how our family looks, this is how our life looks, but you've provided that lead, this is where your place can be in my life, feminine will follow it. If you are leading. If you provide the lead that, hey, we're going to be friends. If you provide the lead that, hey, I want you and we're going to be monogamous. If you provide the lead that, hey, I want you and I'm going to find some other partners. If you provide that lead, feminine will follow. Not a guarantee just because you provided it. The partners, the prospects, what actually fits and aligns, yes. But it's all starting from your lead. If you never provide that lead, we had that conversation last week. If you never provide that lead, if you can't be honest about actually stepping into the lead, they ain't got shit to follow. And they're not going to. It's just a matter of time until feminine finds something else to flow and follow. Wait around 5 years if you want to. Wait around and see what happens if you want to. Feminine's gonna do just the same. I see what you about. Shit, I'm on. When that respect is gone, then it's damn too late. And so I'm grounded inside of me being me. I'm genuinely at a place of peace that if I am alone the rest of my life, that's alone and free to build and connect, and I've had my family experience, I'm genuinely more engaged in. Here's what's there. Partnership is fucking work. Having somebody else to be responsible for, to consider, to be partnered with. Now, it has its value. And for me, having built a life for over a decade, not as myself, I'm out to build that partnership with me first. And whoever aligns with that, I don't care if we're not even committed or primary. If somebody's in my corner and rocking, this work right here, honestly, is my relationship. This conversation out in the world, I want to be on stages. I want to transform and give access to the whole fucking world. And that's who the fuck Dwayne is. And if that means that I just want to be D. And if you love me, stick around, great. That's it. I'm going to love who's down for me. I'm going to love who's here. And we're temporary as a motherfucker. We are a breath, a drop of sand on the beach of life. Like, the truth of it is, we all got to deal with that shit. I can have my fucking partner and die on a plane thousands of miles away, not even getting to say goodbye. Like, we don't have control. Truly, that's a human conversation of how we want to end our story, holding the ego to write our pen to the page. But the facts are, who will you be as the child of God, as the spirit, as the man, like that masculine assertion, the legacy left behind, all that other shit. I've had a lot of death to ego conversations, and there's like a beautiful piece of acceptance that I'm fucking temporary, that I'm mortal. Dwayne's story is the MVP. How I feel, what I get, what I want, what I have is not the most important fucking thing. I would be more sad not getting this conversation out in the world and making a difference on this fucking planet for billions of people than I would be dying alone.